If you're getting this message could not activate mobile phone data, then stay tuned and I will show you solutions how to fix this issue. Try turning your phone on and off. Reset the network settings on your iPhone. So go to Settings, General, and then follow the procedure. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Remove the SIM card from your iPhone, clean the SIM card, and reinsert the SIM back into your iPhone. And then switch on your iPhone and see if this has worked. Ensure your APN settings is correct. I would suggest contacting customer services on your mobile phone network provider and they can run the checks for you. Finally guys, please comment below and let me know if any of these solutions has helped you. Please like and subscribe to the channel if it has. Thank you for watching. Have a good day or night. Peace.